Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is friend. Here are some words related to the base word. Friendless, friendlier, friendliness, friendly, friends, friendship, befriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, unfriend, unfriended, unfriendly. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. My friend came to visit last month. My neighbor seems friendless and unhappy since she retired. The service here is friendlier and more welcoming. He showed friendliness and respect to everyone. Her smile is always warm and friendly. I love to spend time with my friends. Their lifelong friendship started out as college roommates. My daughter tried to befriend our new cat. My boyfriend took me out for dinner. He and his girlfriend have been dating for a year. I had to unfriend them on Facebook. She unfriended him after their first date. Some of my neighbors think that the new homeowner is unfriendly. Now let's review. Friend, friendless, friendlier, friendliness, friendly, friends, friendship, befriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, unfriend, unfriended, unfriendly. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.